So let's start with finding accurate Canadian crypto tax regulations. Now, often there will be a lot of information from crypto accounting platforms like Coinly, Crypto Tax Calculator. My clients use it. I use it. I love these platforms, and they put out a lot of blogged information. And essentially what they try to do is they summarize the Canadian regulations and they put it into a guide, they say. However, always remember that that is essentially like hearsay. It is not the actual documentation to the CRA, and the final word is the Canadian CRA regulations. And so what does that look like? And I will put those links down below, but it looks like this. If you're not on the CRA page and reading, unfortunately, the most driest of content there, and you're just reading sort of the summaries or broad strokes, there is a likelihood that it's just their interpretation and understanding, and it could be incorrect for your use case. In addition, I've actually found quite a few errors because they don't link back to the original resource, or at least the paragraph, for example, to say where did they actually get this information and their understanding of it. And there is still a lot of gray area when you read through this. There is tons and tons of gray area. And that's why having a professional who really understands your use case can ensure that you are getting the most tax savings. So it's not that their information is wrong. It is just that it is not the final word. So always go to CRA. And there are actually 3 documents this year that they have released, and they have updated. They updated every February, and they haven't really done much updates, but this year they updated it a lot, and they put in a lot of definition and clarity. So please check those out. There are 3 links. The first is around general crypto assets and those who hold it. The second one is around mining crypto, which we'll talk a bit more about. It also includes staking. So many my clients are staking, and so you really want to read that regulation. And the third is actually a new one around GST being applied to certain mining activities. And I'll give you the links for all 3 of